All right. So from what you just said, how would you describe Dele Farotimi's case? Is it a case of criminal or civil matter?
It's on jurisdiction. So the argument was whether it was a state offense because it has allegedly not adopted it. But it's a federal offense. I'm not sure you are getting it. So that should be a criminal offense. Only a civil offense. Did you get the point I made?
No, I didn't get that.
I said defamation, libel is dependent on. There are states that have adopted it as they have enacted it as the law. Write something against somebody that is not and has no one estimation in the eyes of against the state. Some jurisdictions do not give that recognition. But at the federal level, it's still in our law. You know, what I'm thinking is that some of these from our colonial holistically, because even the people who left the laws for us have actually moved on. If you permit me, let me give an example. In our criminal code, to have intercourse with a man to do that with another man is criminalized as unnatural offense. But the people who left that for us have done it. So we need to holistically look at our law, especially the federal law, and see the things we will look at and things we will amend, things we will adopt, and ensure that the laws will have our law, the one we inherited, and some of the laws you have, before a lot of us who have practiced for much laws that were enacted, there's no way, it's not viable, there's no way the circumstances.
All right. You know, there are multiple charges leveled against Farotimi before this bill was granted. That's the latest bill. Farotimi had been granted another bail by a different court, the Federal High Court in Ekiti State. So, and that court demanded, the condition was 50 million naira, and also including other conditions like the submission of passport. And you have a situation of the latest condition bill demanding the same passport. So, and how would you justify, how would you reconcile both?
Well, this is not against the order of the order is before them. With another company. So I don't think probably because I have my views about the life. I have my personal views about the life. That's a difficult position, but I think anybody who seeks justice to do the right thing and ensure that the relevant government agency, something that we have to inform the relevant government agency. You do that. Way and manner that is surely at their discretion, as long as they comply, they act the law. And it's not was wrong. Our laws allows the accusers, the defendant, to actually say, no, what this court said is wrong. So you have those options. So I want to have as an appeal against the decision of the court. When I'm not there, for instance, if you are not outside the jurisdiction, the court conditions should be more stringent to ensure that you are always there. And the court cannot keep it forever throughout the entire period. Because as a defendant in a case, you are expected to appear on every day. So if obvious reasons you are known to outside the jurisdiction, you will not expect the condition to be the same as someone who is always around. So there should be probably more stringent conditions. And the last time I checked, I forgot the man because I don't know what he said. Farotimi is resident in Lagos. This matter is very important. So the reasonable thing for the court is to ensure that the court will be stringent enough to compel him to attend. Because the alternative is to ensure that he kept in the custody till the trial conclusion of the trial, which is not fair to him. So you need to balance it. Because the court wants to have you physically present when you are trying going on. And you don't stay within the jurisdiction of the court. So the court will now look at the options available to keep you in custody until the conclusion of the trial. Or to give you conditions that if you meet those conditions, compare about to come back. For instance, say somebody who has property, so that if court can't get you, the court can't continue, the court will just move to the person. If you understand what I'm saying. So I think he has his day in court. He wrote his book. We shouldn't get overexcited about records because of course I understand there are records here and so the entire thing is, what was it all about? The entire drama. I think that's Nigerians are listening to Nigeria. When you talk about somebody's rights, because this topic apparently is of human rights, your right to do whatever you want to do can cover the entire world as long as it stops where another person stands. Are you with me on this?
Yeah. Speak on.
So you are what Dylan a right to do. In my view, it was a business. And you don't engage a business venture for profit by destroying somebody's image. The last time I checked, was 95 years. The last time he worked in government agency was when he worked in CPS. Before he went to this club, after he finished in London School of Economics. The book was not on his side when he was in CPS. The next time from records, I will appreciate if I'm not wrong, from the records of when he served as pro-chancellor for University of Lagos. The book was not on his activity when he was a public, when he held public position as pro-chancellor University of Lagos. As a matter of the record, he was returned while as the best pro-chancellor. The book was not on his public service. And if you want to go into judiciary, you focus on the people who have the responsibility, who have the public to protect the judiciary. Because you don't write something at the end of the day, they establish that you are not very correct. You are not very correct. Cannot be corrected. And beyond for instance, I've the university, I've seen the it's unbelievable what he did in it. If you go to the university website, you see that there are partnership and all these other universities in the world, both Hopkins and other universities. And the school is built around. And before you could have such partnership, there must be engagement with those people and there must be agreement. And when you are telling them that this man, that anything involving him, that he has a manifest in the judiciary, it will affect us. It will affect us. And you are doing it for business. To make a start out of somebody's 5 years it's for reputation. And you have to know about that. Probably because of where the student last semester, or probably because the system is so terrible that once you hear corrupt from Nigerians, then you know that in addition to this person's right, there is another right for another. And what you
at what point, because the Nigerian Constitution is, I think, Section 39, subsection 1 guarantees the freedom of speech. Now, could you tell us at what point is there a limitation to that right, that freedom of speech, of expression, of opinion? At what point?
The same law, what they said, the dignity of other men and everything. Do you understand? They have the right to freedom of speech. But the law says you cannot damage another person. And this is not just freedom of speech. I'm talking about freedom of speech. This is business. The Farotimi is business. And as book writers, before the launching of the book, you grant interviews and order to promote your book. And he used that Babalola's reputation to drive that book. If you listen, if you have watched him, his speech, his engagements prior to the launch of the book, was purely about Babalola's reputation. This is a man who is into legal practice, is into private legal practice. And the lawyers, okay, let me give you an example. I was involved in the divorce proceedings. I was involved in the divorce proceedings. The petitioner, I was involved with the petitioner. The respondent, the counsel that represented the respondent, their attitude in court and all that, and everything they built in that case, all the emotions and everything they built in that case, that destroyed our cross-examination. Even the attitude and the way and manner the respondent reacted in cross-examination. I knew straight away that we go the case. When we did our final decision, I emphasized the lot on the cross-examination and the responses I took. My petitioner got judgment, he got the divorce, he got all the ancillary relief he sought for. I never ever had any private discussion with the judge. The stories they started flying around, they told that we went and compromised the judge. Because they lost in court. This happens in many. But because you lost in court, Then tomorrow you will take it further by writing it in a book to sell and market your book and destroying the person so because no, I don't do that. I think Janet got it completely wrong. Got it completely wrong. And after Babalola sounds better. We respect elders now. If he has occupied public position and the write-up was on his public, on what he did as a public servant. If a judge of the Supreme Court has been compromised, name the man who was a public servant and got compromised and tell on him. Push your evidence. You don't go looking for a 95-year-old man who has most probably active practice to drive your business, to make profit. The next minute, oh, the book has sold out. Profit. And it's without prejudice to whatever that is going to happen in court. I think it's wrong. But at the same time, as I said earlier, justification is depends to Bible. So if Samuel has been convicted for what he accused him of, all he needs to just address it CTC of where a judge has pronounced Samuel guilty of that offense. Then I
All right. Thank you very much for your analysis and your opinion. Now, how do you see this case moving forward? What do you think will be the dynamics? What are the chances of success on the side of both parties, Farotimi and Babalola?
If you ask me, in the next 3 months, some other things will come up. The social media will Dele has to defend himself. If he fails to do that, he will most likely be convicted. Unless probably I don't know how he is back. So talking about WikiLeaks or whatever, information anywhere. You can get people and say, well, come and witness that this man has never, in fact, saw that any record anywhere that has been indicted by the police, charged to court, and was eventually allowed to go free without being without being acquitted. There's nothing to it. And if there is no justification, then it's wrong. The lawyer to do is so that he doesn't go to town, go to business on another person's life. You don't do that. It's most questionable, very responsible. You should have done better. You should have done better.
Okay. Now there is this popular saying in Nigeria: "Bail is free. Bail is free." Even after the grant of bail to Dele Farotimi, we saw the conditions. But tell us, is bail free in Nigeria, or is it accompanied with some conditions? Okay. What does the Nigerian law say about bail?
What it means is that before you be granted bail, that you cannot pay anything. Nobody charges you to grant you bail. But the court or the police or any institution with the powers to grant it, with the powers to restrain you and allow you to go, we look for conditions within the limits of their powers as provided in the relevant law to ensure that you are attendance to justice it has to do with the police station, I want to allow Mr. A to go on the condition, and I will look for conditions that will ensure that Mr. A actually comes back to the police station. If he's in court, I will allow Mr. A to go, but these are the conditions to ensure that he returns to court. So when they say party better pay, it does not mean that they are paying 30 million to be allowed to go. What they are saying is that if you fail to attend court sitting, if you run away when you leave this place now, that you have to pay 30 million. And for us to ensure that that 30 million is paid or paid, so that we don't start chasing you around, we have to ask you to bring the papers of a land that is within our jurisdiction, so that if you don't come and we can't find you, then we hold on to the land. So if the person who gave us the land, and the land will be yours, the person who gave us the land, if the person cannot provide you, sign the land, because we already have you. We don't want to take the risk of losing you. So give us something that we hold on to, so that if we don't see you, we hold on to it. So the money involved is by adventure. If you escape, what do we hold on? Because we already have, and we don't want to keep you in the obligation of the king. We want you to go. We want you to be free, because you are presumed innocent. But you have to go. So in this matter, even what the benefit Farotimi got from court is that he has now been presumed innocent, but guaranteed that will come for his trial. But if you look at the book he wrote, after Babalola, SCA, he's not presumed innocent. He's already convicted as a corrupt person. He's convicted as a criminal. Who tried him? Was he given an opportunity to defend himself? Did the judge in his book said, I got this allegation, I wrote Babalola to ask him his views about it. This is his response. And he puts Babalola's response side by side with allegations against everybody. Balance. And now he will not ask his leaders to go through and then come to a conclusion. Babalola to say he has called him a criminal.
All right, thank you very much. Farotimi is also facing the charge of cyberbullying. I don't know whether you educate us on that. What is cyberbullying?
You understand what bullying is all about? You understand what bullying is all about? He's doing that on the cyberspace.
Okay, of course, bullying is all about a stronger person, exuding a kind of undue strength upon a weaker person. So, but from your own perspective, from the perspective of law, Nigerian law, what is cyberbullying? And what are the different perspectives on that according to the Nigerian law?
To the law, of course, to deal with the man, to put it, and that is the father will be placed to defend himself. For instance, the father is a criminal. But it's not being corrupt. He's already out there, he is corrupt. He never had the opportunity. which is which is you have to give it God already knew Canada. God already knew Canada. He didn't start out for what he did. And I don't know. It was but
All right. There are two perspectives to this case. We have the legal perspective, and then we have the activist perspective. From the legal perspective, some people are saying that Farotimi might be wrong based on what he wrote in his book, Nigeria and the criminal justice system, because he wrote that without facts. Then from the activist perspective, people might look at the larger aspect of the Nigerian polity, that there is a criminalized
I stay there.
Cordily, are you there? You can start the meeting. You can start the meeting. I'm on the road. That's why I started. Are you there? Shade, please confirm and say something.
Are you talking to me or somebody else?
Yes, well, I'm trying to reach the host. Cordily, he will be with you shortly, sir.
Okay, no problem.
Please just hold on a bit, sir. They will soon join you.
No problems, I'm still here.
Cordily, please go ahead with the meeting, please. With the interview.
Can you hear me? Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
Okay, I hope you heard what I asked earlier.
No, I didn't get the question.
I said there are
They're gone again.
from the activist perspective, Nigerians are saying that there is this criminality and corruption entrenched in Nigerian in Nigeria's politics. So, do you think that Nigeria needs a revamp in its constitution, or should I say, in its whole system?
I agree with you from the activism perspective. The system needs to be revamped. Even the role of the so many things, so many reforms are required, and they have to really go into, for instance, the appointment of justices of the Supreme Court. If you still leave it in such a way that it's being done at the moment, if you leave it the way it's being done at the moment, we'll have challenge. The CJ has a lot of, he's involved in a lot of, and as if he's everything. Then you take into consideration the way and manner, was removed as that has a very strong negative signal to the entire judiciary. And Nigerians have moved on. I mean, the former CJ, he got judgment the other day. Nobody said anything about it. That is the root of our problem. The way the man was disgraced and dismissed out of office, the recent judgment he got said it was wrong. Nigerians are not talking about it. We are looking for someone to call thief. How do we reduce the influence of our political actors? How do we reduce the influence of our political actors on the judiciary? If Ohaegbu would just be dismissed like that, he's now retired and thrown away, and now he's now from his retirement using his retirement benefit, which I'm sure he has not gotten because he was thrown away dismissed, probably for savings, for his personal service and support from friends. He's fighting to clear his name. Why would the current CJN not bow to whatever who is in charge of the executive state? These are the issues. There is need for a complete and comprehensive reform. The political actors do not have any power whatsoever to throw away a judge of the High Court. Not to talk about
all right.
the Supreme Court. So on that, I believe that let me point out something. The point I was trying to make when you are engaged in activity is personal sacrifice. I my own understanding. Personal sacrifice for the good of the public. You take risk, you engage in so many things, demonstration. Personal sacrifice. For no personal gain. You saw what Gary found. He went to prison and all that. How many of these guys business, not activity, purely business? Promoted his book on the reputation of an totally wrong.
All right. Part of accountability and transparency is having a governmental body to which the public can, lay their complaints to. Now, you were the Federal Commissioner of the Public Complaints Commission. So many people did not know or do not know that there are such commission is in existence. So what is the commission like? How does it enhance the complaints from the masses? Because I understand that there are so many forms of corruption going on in government. People see these things, and not just in government, in all spheres of leadership, all levels of public life. But people do not know where to go or whom to complain to. So that this is a commission that you headed. So what is the nature of the commission? Does it have a federal agency, or is it dispersed across Nigeria?
The Public Complaints Commission is the federal government and public agency department private situation. So it must be a public agency complaint to public. It has that a lot of untouchable, the first time people are arrested to attend. This is here in the public domain. So but the problem is that we always look for a quick one and that you are dismissed from the office. That is an administrative position. The office is not government or parastatal or a registered company. You don't have money to go to court to get a lawyer to go to maybe industrial court. You have Public Complaints Commission. Public Complaints Commission is structured that every state is represented in the board who are federal commissioners posted to the state to head the commission. Public Complaints Commission has all the states of the federation. And in very many local governments, most local governments, most big local governments have offices posted for the state. So from the local government to the state to Abuja, Public Complaints Commission is everywhere. Of course, as I mentioned, purely dependent on the government budget and you do not generate revenue. And Their budget has always done in Nigeria. I'm happy you are for you to get more than the overhead. So some of those agencies that are there to serve are underfunded. Of course, nobody promote that, nobody about that. Even the federal commissioners themselves will not talk because a lot of them once you start to do your work and complaints from sort of not get appointed. I was not appointed. I don't know why. But you ask questions. Without sounding any modest, I don't think you can know what I did in public complaints, but I was not appointed. That is
All right.
part of the Nigerian system. So we have fantastic agencies do what they should, but unfortunately, they're not being funded.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much, Mr. Obunike or Ohaegbu. Sorry, Ohaegbu, a legal practitioner based in Abuja, and he was also a federal commissioner of Public Complaints Commission. Joined us from United Kingdom. It is nice speaking with you, sir. All right. On this note, we come to the end of this program on Governance Insight. See you next time. All right.
I think the meeting is over. Bye, everybody. Take care.